Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon brand assets using Brand Registry image rules, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Amazon Brand Registry website. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Brand Registries section. Ensure you have all necessary documentation ready, including your trademark registration. Review the specific image requirements outlined by Amazon. Prepare to upload high-quality images that accurately represent your brand. Create a logo image that is clear and properly fits Amazon's size specifications. Select product images that showcase your item from multiple angles. Ensure all images are well lit and in focus to highlight product features. Include lifestyle images showing products in real-world settings. Make sure each image is in the correct file format, typically JPEG or PNG. Double-check that your images meet the size dimensions specified by Amazon. Upload your logo image first, ensuring it is prominently displayed. Next, upload your primary product image. Add secondary product images to enhance visibility. Incorporate lifestyle images to enrich your brand presentation. Review all uploaded images for clarity and adherence to Amazon guidelines. Once all images are uploaded, preview them in your Brand Registry dashboard. Make edits as necessary to ensure compliance with Amazon's image rules. Submit your images for approval through the Brand Registry portal. Wait for Amazon to review your submissions. Check your email regularly for updates on your approval status. Once approved, monitor your brand assets to manage future uploads. Stay updated on any changes to Amazon's image requirements. Make regular adjustments to your brand assets as needed to stay compliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.